Hello, in this first tutorial, I'm just going to go over the basic setup of the front screen. And as I am working my way through this, I have the design brief for the fitness tracker in front of me. This is a fresh copy from Disease Tracker. There's more than one way to do this. So if you did yours differently, that's fine. Just try and take what you need from this. So I've already saved and renamed this. I just have to go ahead and start changing things. So number one says include a pop-up display of days of the week. So I have a pop-up display here, but in my case it says month spinner. So I need to go ahead and rename that. So I'm going to rename this to day spinner. So that changes the component name, but I have to change the values from the drop-down, and those are under properties. So I'm just going to separate things by commas. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and I abbreviated, and you would want to keep going. So that takes care of the day spinner. Then at number 2 on the design requirement says allow the user to select and enter data for the particular day that we pick with the day spinner. I need the physical activity and how many minutes. Well, I just have the amount text box, and that works really well for the minutes. So I'm going to rename that minutes text box. And I'm going to put the hint and say minutes so that the user knows what to put in. But I still need to allow a location for them to enter their activity. So I need another text box, and you could do a text box or you can do another spinner, and I'm going to put it right in between. And that's way too big, so I'm going to change it down to 25% or so. And I will rename this activity text box. And for the hints, I could say activity. Now, I don't like how crunched that is, so I'm going to go ahead and move this add button. You could put it a lot of places. I'll put it right there. Now maybe I can expand that a little bit more. All right. So I have my spinner for the days, I have the activity text box, and I have the text box for the minutes. Then I have an add button to add them. Now for show data, I'm on number 3, 4, and 5 of the design brief. It says calculate and display the total number of minutes. Well, this still says patients, so I am going to fix that. Total label works fine, but I want to say total minutes instead of patients. So total minutes. Instead of average per month, I'm going to want average per day. So I'm just going to edit that. So I need the total, so the sum of the minutes, and the average per day. And then I need the display data list. And this is actually named very generically, so data list view, that will work for everything. So that's going to be the show data, and then I have the clear data button. Now I need to fix my title label. I don't want to talk about monthly flu patients anymore. I want to talk about fitness. So I can call it fitness, fitness challenge, anything like that. All right, so here I have my fitness information.